Bad or not for you green smoothies. The highest nutrient-dense foods on the globe are fruits and vegetables, with dark green leafy vegetables at the top of the list. Greens made up each of the top 5 powerhouse fruits and vegetables. Therefore, when we blend them into a smoothie, soup, or sauce, we release all of the nutrients from the food that has the most nutrients into our circulation while also breaking down all of the cells. While chewing has its benefits, blending offers greater nutritional absorption and digestive efficiency. Could we be starving our microbial selves if we absorb all those nutrients and none of them reaches our colon? Irregular grains, beans, and nuts are preferable to bread, hummus, and nut butter because they provide a feast for beneficial bacteria in your intestines, even for those of us who struggle to chew. However, you can be leaving your gut flora high and dry if you grind your grains, beans, and nuts into a fine powder or paste before eating them. Would fruits and vegetables be subject to the same worries? Certain phytonutrient groups found in fruits and vegetables seem to offer protection against colon cancer. They can bypass the stomach and small intestine's processes of digestion and absorption and wind up serving as prebiotics in our colon. Regardless of how much we chew, they remain affixed to the fiber. However, may we prematurely separate these nutrients if we use a blender? No. They stay bonded to the fiber so that your gut bacteria can get them, even after 5 minutes of high-speed blending. We don't need to be concerned that when we combine fruits and vegetables, we might be robbing Peter to pay Paul because smoothie trials on persons with ileostomy bags, which empty the contents of the small intestine, demonstrate that the majority of the polyphenol phytonutrients escape intact. So, are there any drawbacks to smoothies? Granted, smaller grains may aid in better gastrointestinal absorption of nutrients from fruits and vegetables and enhance digestive efficiency. But, there is a risk that this could increase the availability of starch and result in a surge in blood sugar. Here's an illustration of how our blood sugar rises and falls over 4 hours after consuming half a cup of brown rice, causing our insulin levels to gently climb in response. Doesn't even surpass the typical blood sugar levels during fasting.